Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for getting here so fast, Pups. Chickaletta is stuck inside Jake's family Cuckoo clock. Now the clock is sliding down the mountain with snowballs rolling after it. Everest. I need you to drive down the mountain and use your grapple to stop the clock. And Rocky, I need you to use your tools to get Chickaletta out of the clock without breaking it. This clock is very special to Jake.
Green means go!
Ryder, we've got our eye on the clock, and it's moving fast. That ride must be so frightening, even for a brave chicken like my Chickaletta.
And those snowballs are catching up. They could crush the clock.
Not on our watch.
Ryder, the clock hand is almost at the top. That'll make the door open.
Rocky, when that door opens, try to reach Chickaletta with your claw.
Claw! Whoa! Aha! Those snowballs are still gonna hit Jake's clock.
Not if we get the snowballs to hit each other first. Everest, push the left one. Rocky, the right. Yes, it worked. Now let's see if we can make it through these snow bumps and catch that clock.
Ryder, I can reach it faster on my snowboard. I grappled! Whew, that was close.
Good job, Everest. Rocky, can you put the hand back on the clock and point it to the top?
Okay, fixed. Now to let out Chickaletta. It's about time you came out of there, Chickaletta. Check out full episodes of PAW Patrol on Nickelodeon.